Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated.
The defendant would please rise.
As to count one, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of murder in the first degree as submitted by instruction number 5. As to count two, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of armed criminal action as submitted in instruction number 14. As to count three, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of assault of a law enforcement officer in the first degree as submitted in instruction number 22. As to count four, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of armed criminal action as submitted in instruction number 26. As to count five, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of assault in the second degree as submitted in instruction number 32. As to count six, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of armed criminal action as submitted in instruction number 36. As to count seven, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of burglary in the first degree as submitted in instruction number 38. As to count eight, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of armed criminal action as submitted in instruction number 42. As to count nine, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of resisting arrest as submitted in instruction number 44.
Would I be said like the jury poll?
Yes, Your Honor.
Clerks will inquire each of you whether or not they were your verdict.
As I call your number, will you please rise and respond to my questions? Juror 144. Is the verdict I just read your verdict in this cause?
Yes.
So says the juror. Juror 435. Is the verdict I just read in your verdict in this cause?
Yes.
So says the juror. Juror 443. Is the verdict I just read your verdict in this cause?
Yes.
So says the juror. Juror 359. Is the verdict I just read your verdict in this cause?
Yes.
So says the juror. Juror 544. Is the verdict I just read your verdict in this cause?
Yes.
So says the juror. Juror 576. Is the verdict I just read your verdict in this cause?
Yes.
So says the juror. Juror 14. Is the verdict I just read your verdict in this cause?
Yes.
So says the juror. Juror 646. Is the verdict I just read your verdict in this cause?
Yes.
So says the juror. Juror 427. Is the verdict I just read your verdict in this cause?
Yes.
So says the juror. Juror 190. Is the verdict I just read your verdict in this cause?
Yes.
So says the juror. Juror 53. Is the verdict I just read your verdict in this cause?
Yes.
So says the juror. Juror 511. Is the verdict I just read your verdict in this cause?
Yes.
So says the juror.
And
So says the juror and all the jurors, Your Honor.
Anything further on behalf of the state?
no, Your Honor.
Anything further on behalf of the defense?
No, this time, Judge.
The Court will accept the verdicts of the jury. Are you requesting an additional 10 days?
You are, Your Honor.
We will set this case for sentencing on, sorry, I don't. June 27th at 1:30.
Yes, Judge.
That'll conclude the record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thomas.
That will also conclude your